Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. My name's Adam, and today we're walking through a 2024 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Beautifully equipped here. You have the white frame, platinum underside of this beautiful hard top, and the platinum gel coat with chrome graphics, white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. This one, as you can see from outside, does also have the rail package. So you have high rails on the back, and up front you got the high rails with a split up at the bow. Let's go check out the engines. As you can see here, you have Mercury V8 300s back here, stainless steel 3-blade props with a white cowling and a silver lower. Naturally aspirated, 600 horsepower total. This is also a joystick piloting system. I'll show you that in just a minute from the helm. Now that we're up in the cockpit of the boat, you can see here beautifully equipped and a ton of space for fishing, but also it's a good family and entertaining boat. So all this up here is non-skid. So everywhere you can see back here on the platform is all non-skid and made to cast off of. As we step down though, if you're not fishing and it's a day on the water with the family, or you're going out to the fishing grounds, you have this beautiful seat. Underneath that is also your table storage, your inverter, and plenty of other storage with access down to the bilge as well. Heavy duty latches and equipment here. You notice nothing rattles and it shuts smoothly. Over here, hidden under that non-skid on the port side, is a blue lined livewell. As we go up to the bow of the boat, we'll start here at the back of the helm chairs. Beautiful sliding tackle drawers. And then this seat does actually collapse back so you can have an aft facing bench as well. Looking up on the dash, you have all Simrad electronics, Simrad VHF to starboard, and a jumbo Simrad screen right in front of the captain's there. That's going to be all integrated with all your vessel view is going to be on there, your radio controls are going to be on there, and then you have a hard knob for your JL audio speaker system there. Mercury digital throttle and shift, and a tilt base for the steering wheel. Accompanied by the right side here is your joystick system. That will have skyhook, autopilot, auto heading, everything right on there. Beautiful, make it simple, makes everybody look like a captain. Up top, you have floodlights, rocket style rod holders, and storage for some life jackets up here as well. As we go up to the bow of the boat, you have a ton of great seating here. So you can seat, 2 people here on the coffin box, but you can also have 2 more forward-facing seats, lounger style, with the backrests that come up like this. Same thing on the starboard side. And these, again, simple, not over-engineered, sit right down and in there. You have storage up each side, and then these actually come out too. So if you want to remove just the cushions, you have a full casting platform, or if you want to leave them in and take them and use them as a lounger, you can do that, or they come completely out. So you'll be on the same one level deck. Underneath here, you have a big coffin box with storage for a table with a high post, and you have access for a rod holder for underneath the helm where the vacuum flush is, so it can go in there, and then you can actually lock this whole thing down. Now you do have non-skid here, but you also have a step to get down in there, so if you need to get down in there and access something, you drop something and can't reach it, you can do that. Looking back at the hard top, you have a vent on your windshield and another floodlight, and just that beautiful white framing. Guys, this wraps up our walkthrough today of the 280 Dauntless. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, we got a full showroom of boats back here, and we got plenty of people to help you out. So please stop by. We're up in Danvers off of 128. If you have any questions or you need us, feel free to stop or call.